What's up, guys? Today I am opening up my birthday present. Well, it's not my birthday. It's just that I had this birthday present. So my sister's boyfriend had this birthday present for me, and I never got it. Yesterday I just got it, but I wanted to make a YouTube video for you today and this morning. This is what it is. From Monster High. When I sit on my lap, you can't see me. So let's open it up. Wait. But how do you open this up? Oh wait, hold on. I gotta set it on the floor. Take off all the. Okay. Okay. Gotta get the sides. So you can open up the sides. Wait. Okay. Can't open. Oh my gosh. Or my flip before I stab it. Okay, let's say I got it. I'll just peel off all this tape right here. Okay, I think wait, it sounds so. Okay. I think that's all the sides that have tape on them. Let's open it. Okay, so I think you gotta open it. It says 30 pieces. So it's like you can dress them up. As you can see, like right here, you can dress them up and all that stuff. So let's see if I can find how to open this. Oh wait, that's why. I can't press. That's why I couldn't open it. Who cares about that? Okay. Gotta get this top. There we go. Hard time opening this. Oh my god. A big present, but I want to play with this. It's just that it's stuck. And it's not letting me pick it open. Okay, who cares about the box? I don't really fucking care about the box, so I'm just gonna rip open this box. If I even can. Are you serious? That's all I had to do. So there's these little tabs like right here, and I just had to pull them. I just had to pull them, and that was all. How do you even get them out? Oh. box is not letting me get them, but the box is totally letting me give some structure to it. Okay, wait. Oh, I got it out. I will say, oh crap, I think I just broke it. I just broke it. Oh wait, no, never mind, I can do that. No, stupid. Okay, wait, crap. I'm just gonna... Okay, who cares about that? See, look, I got some of this. Okay, wait, let me try to see if that can come back on. Oh, yeah, that came right back on. Easy. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I got some scissors. Let's try and cut this. Okay, so there's like a string like right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's like right here. So I gotta cut it open. Got it. Got that part. The wood's still stuck to it. Right. It's this. Wait, hold on. I could just. Okay, you know what? Let's try to pick it up here, but I don't think I can. Just pick it. They put some ropes on her. Gosh, it's just like really stuck in here. Let's see if we can, you know, wire it off. I just hit her in the face with the scissors. I think I'm becoming a murderer. Okay, I thought that would do something, but just like... Okay, so I just cut the box. Wait, what the frick? I was cutting at the bottom, like right here. I hear it. All you see are these, and this one just fell off. Like, what the frick is happening to my thingy? Oh, look. I found this one in the box just now. I think these are supposed to come out. Yeah, I think they come out because, like, oh yeah, they do come out. Oh, I just broke that. Just like right there. It's like too strong for my armory. I'm taped. Look, this thing was taped in there. Oh, it's right there. Okay. I think I'm on the fish. I think I'm on the fish. I'm getting out. What? I am fish clothed. Sorry about that. If you can hear that. That was my dog just running. Okay, now I need the scissors. These scissors probably not going to do anything, but worth a try. I'm just going to pick the box, you know, like we can. and the question for today is: have you ever had trouble getting the box out, a toy out of the box, or get anything out of the box? If I would even comment yes. If I had a comment, I would say yes. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, this part is stuck on here, so let's try to get that right there. And then, she's just holding a fish. Oh, got ya. Oh, got